On this episode 8 of the Mambulance, a new AC mini split system and heat pump is installed, so you don't want to miss it. You are looking at the Senville mini split heat pump combo. This baby puts out 9,000 BTU. What's a BTU? It means British Thermal Unit, which is a measure of 1 pound of water by being able to raise the temperature of that water by 1 degree. Now in air conditioning terms, that means how much air can be cooled in a room in 1 hour. Unit is suitable for a room size of 100 to 450 square feet. Being that the ambulance is 100 square feet, this baby's gonna be ice cold. This kit comes with 16 feet of communication cable and copper tubing, so plan accordingly. We retrofitted the bracket for the roof of the ambulance, but they actually sell one for $27. So we've got to get the AC here, up there. How do you suppose we're gonna do that, bud?
Throw it.
You sure you don't want my help, buddy?
Nah.
See, I'm not gonna be able to catch this because I'm filming this. William and I have to get the AC unit on top of the ambulance so that we can mock it up, take measurements so we can remove the existing brackets, retrofit them, and put it back on. Hey! Hey!
Can't talk right now. I'm doing hard guy shit.
So this unit is far lighter than the original unit. Here are the new brackets that have been cut down so they actually can slide up underneath here. Hey, this is a really good sign that I'm handing you this, huh? So William, how are we gonna test out if this thing is gonna hold the weight of the air conditioner, bud?
Air conditioner, I think, weighs 85 pounds. I'm 155, solid.
And torquing adds another additional 100 pounds of torque, right? All right, so the torquing test is done. We know it's good. After building the bracket on the table, mocking everything up, this is the first time to bring the AC on top of the vehicle to make sure everything fits perfect. Hey, I want to be able to help you, buddy, but...
AC is installed.
See, good thing Florida replaces windshields for free, bud. So that's got to go where you're standing. Oh, look at that. That's how you do that, huh? So this has about 12 feet of copper coil that condensates, so you're gonna leave, how many remaining feet of that coil do you think you'll have out here?
There'll probably be 6, 8 feet of coil left.
Also gonna add a bracket that kind of goes back onto the, ties into the top, kind of tie it in and pull some weight off the front. But it's really not a heavy unit. So William wasn't totally satisfied with the bracket that we just showed you, so he pulled down the whole contraption and reinforced it with this much heavier duty front angle iron, and it has 0 flex and it's looking pretty good. And if you couldn't tell by now, William likes to test out the engineering of things he creates with his body weight. There's another look at the new bracket that William has gone through and redid, so it's a whole lot more sturdy now. So here are the 3 batteries that are all set up and ready to go.
Check out my new headlights.
Get out of here with that immature nonsense, bud. Nobody wants to see your headlights. Anyways, so these are the lithium batteries, all 3 of them ready to get hooked up with the Anderson connector. So catch that on the next episode. So all these batteries have been balanced to what?
They're not fully charged, but they're balanced at 13.1 volts.
Gotcha. How did you balance them? Charge them?
I didn't.
Oh,
They just happen to be balanced.
Perfect. License plate bracket's gone. The tint is here. Nice, that's the color.
It's $150.
Just for that tint? Will that tint all of them?
Yeah.
Wow. So that's the Raptor liner tint, which as you can see.
It's very close to this.
Yep, William's
got
got
to guess.
William went through and did all the diamond plating. All the inside jambs are painted gray. And he has gone through and done the hinges.
The hinges.
What? The next episode coming up, we are going to rhino line this beast. So don't go anywhere. Or do, I don't really care. I have my blue pineapple to hang out with. I don't need you all. Oh, you're so bumpy.